Je kan nog een rondje moest maken.
Fuck! You're gonna be in an advantage again with the big bike.
Again, you just cheated, so what about again?
Ga je nou expres met je billen naar de camera? What's up guys? What's up cycling fanatics? Welcome to another video, and today we've got a new challenge. We're gonna be racing e-bikes. We're gonna put these two e-bikes to the test. We're gonna do a drag race, a climb, we're gonna do some off-roading and a race from point to point. These bikes are not comparable, they're so different. But it's okay because I'm gonna race against my girlfriend and we are completely different fitness anyway.
Racing your girlfriend? Which one?
We are gonna be racing these e-bikes. You and
I
me.
don't think so. I'm just here to film you. I don't think.
You do it.
No. No.
What?
What makes you think I'm going to ride a bike? Do I look like I'm going to ride a bike?
No, but I took some clothing for you.
I'm not gonna walk around in a cycling kit.
No, we're gonna be riding bikes in a cycling kit.
Much later.
Here, I even brought you a cycling kit.
Okay.
You like pink?
I like pink, yeah.
It's an e-bike, so you won't get tired, I promise.
Okay.
Okay, so while Daisy is changing, let me go through the bikes to see what we are working with today. First bike is the GoGoBest G700. It's a two-wheel drive, 2x500 watt wheel motors with a top speed of 50 kilometers an hour. It's got a 48 volt, 17.5 amps monster battery and 4-inch mega fat tires. This piece can ride through anything. It has a throttle like a scooter, so if you don't want to pedal, you don't even have to move your legs. With a weight of 37 kilos, it's a real heavyweight. In the blue corner, the second bike, we've got the fiido X. It's got a rear wheel drive, 350 watt wheel motor with a top speed of only 30k an hour. It has a 36 volt, 11 amps battery, and the 20-inch wheels make it super agile. The torque sensor gives a smooth riding experience, and with the magnesium frame it looks sleek and it's only 19.8 kilos. That's about half of its competitor.
Meanwhile,
I'm almost done.
Babe,
Yeah?
the suspenders go under the jersey.
Oh,
Maybe change the shoes.
these are my cycling shoes.
moments later.
Boom!
Yeah, ready to go cycling.
That's what I'm talking about.
So, can I pick one?
Yes, because you are...
The boss. Duh.
Well, I was gonna say you are the lady, so you can choose the bike.
Okay, I'll take this one.
The big one?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Well, yeah, I think this one is faster.
It is. Do you think you can handle it?
Only one way to find out.
So we're gonna race. We're gonna start with a drag race. I put out some cones right there. 50 meters, full gas. See who is there first. Your bike doesn't have a speed limit. My bike, it stops like 30k an hour. So.
Riders ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Ah! Woo! Close, hè? Ga je nou expres met je billen naar de camera?
Dat zou ik nooit doen.
Drag race, you won.
Ja.
So it's 1-0. Next race, we're gonna climb. So we're gonna race up this bridge. Since there's no mountains in the Netherlands, we have to do it on the bridge. Finish will be on top.
Yeah.
At the big sign over there.
Okay. There's a steep corner.
Yeah.
So you might catch me in the corner.
It's a one straight line, then there's a 180 turn, which is kind of sharp, and then back up. 3, 2, 1, go! I took the stairs.
No. You said we had to go up. And whoever was first wins.
So the race up the bridge, I win. So it's 1-1. Let's continue with the off-road. So we're gonna ride the beach. You like the beach?
I like the beach. I'm not sure if I like riding the beach. I like lying down on the beach.
The off-road challenge will consist of a little bit of gravel, and this trail ends on the beach. So I don't know, you're gonna be in an advantage again with the big bike.
Again, you just cheated. So what about again?
You're right. This time you'll be in an advantage because you'll be on the big wheels and the big bike. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! 40k an hour! 40k an hour! On the gravel! Here we go, to the corners! Ha! Whoa! Whoa! Deze is getting the lead. Almost there. Oh. Next challenge is going to be a skill test for maneuverability. We're gonna do some slaloming.
Me?
Yeah. This is the start. Corners. We'll do the slalom around these, whatever they are. Back this way. You see the cones? We'll do a lap around the cone.
Wait, lap around the cone?
Yeah, like this.
Okay.
Whoever's the fastest will win this segment. You first?
Yeah, I have the fast bike, so sure.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ik dacht nog een rondje moest maken. Yeah!
1 minute, 5 seconds.
Woo!
I'm definitely gonna beat that.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh shit, it's way faster.
Dat is wel lastig met die e-bike, joh.
Whoa. I tried to stop the timer, so it says 42, but you were a little bit faster than that.
Okay, so that's at least, well, it's 20 seconds faster anyway. Yes! 1 point for me.
Congrats, babe.
So now it's 2 against 2.
Yep.
Whoever takes the next one wins the challenge.
Okay, let's switch it up. I'll take that bike and you'll take the big one.
But it's a point-to-point race. This bike is a lot faster, like it's on the street, on the road.
Yeah, well, I think it's only fair since I've done all the challenges on the faster bike, so
Then I'm gonna win.
we'll see.
Okay. Okay. Last race. May the best cyclist win. Babe, where's the bike?
In the back. See you at home.
What the fuck? Can't believe Daisy just left me behind. What? She goes on the road and that's longer. I know a shortcut. Hey! What's going on? The bike is dead.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
What took you so long?
the battery died.
Really?
This whole bike is empty or dead. I don't know, broken, nothing. Like, it just doesn't respond. So I had to push, I had to pedal the whole thing.
Okay, that sucks.
How long are you here?
I don't know, half a day?
So, end result. Drag race, 1 point for Team Pink. The climb, I took that. Let's be honest. I was up first. Then the off-road, 2 points for the lady. Slalom, definitely my point. So that's 2-2. And then the last one, the A to B. I think if my bike didn't die, I would still win it, even though you cheated.
I didn't cheat.
You put the bike in the car.
Yeah, it's the same from going up the hill. You said from A to B. You didn't say we had to go cycling from A to B.
No, that's true. If the bike didn't die, maybe we would have been close.
Maybe. We'll never know.
Well, so who wins?
Me? For putting in the effort? Hello, I've been on a bike all day.
You did become a real cycling fanatic today.
It wasn't even that bad because I didn't really have to do much cycling. I just had to steer.
So, if you want to ride with your girlfriend, take some e-bikes and have some fun. Did you have fun today?
Yeah, I had fun.
Should we rate the bikes?
I like that one. That one is more comfortable. I really don't like the saddle. And the yellow one is faster, so yeah. That one wins for me.
I thought it was very big and unhandy. The small one, you can do some wheelies, it's easy to corner, it's nice and fast, nice and quick.
I really don't care about wheelies and corners. I take them slow anyways, so
Yeah, that's true.
the big one is fine for me.
Okay, so, well, okay. I'll choose the little one. You can have the yellow bike.
Yeah, for our next adventure.
Next challenge. Gonna see you next time. See ya! I don't need an off-road bike. This bike is really suitable for off-roading.